this is not a bike, this is an airplane, a monster. You can call it as you like it, but this is not a bike, this is not a motorcycle. Forget about specs, forget about everything, just ride this bike. The next one, the Honda Goldwing. Whoa. It's like you're sitting in your couch. Yeah, it's there are no words to describe the comfort, the first feeling what you get when you sit on this chair. And you sit on this amazing comfortable seat and look at the dashboard. It looks like an airplane. Yeah, what can I say, the most expensive bike over here, the Honda Goldwing. There are quite a lot of things to say about this monster, about this bike. So let's ride it and see what it offers. Oh, check out the sound of this monster. So basically we have here the normal, the neutral, drive, and from here we change sport, econ, rain, tour. Let's put it on the sport mode, like we did also with the NT 1100. So man, let's put the radio on, huh? It's time to go. Oh. Amazing, man. Whoa. It's a feeling like you're riding an airplane at the moment. Whoa. Oh man, no, I cannot describe it. Oh, unbelievable. No, it's I mean, I'm riding motorcycles since 3 years, but man, this is not a motorcycle. This is not a motorcycle, this is an airplane. Whoa. Wow. I'm sorry, but this is my feeling at the moment. Oh, no way, man. No way. Can get this feeling, and how this bike leans, how easily. Oh. No, it's. Whoa. Wow. So yeah, it is a heavy bike, but when you take the turns, you take it with a class, man. Take it with a big class. Wow. And what visibility do you get? It's even though the windscreen it's very big, it's low positioned, and this also has two advantages. This protects you quite amazingly from the wind, but another positive thing is that you have a lot of visibility due to the riding position. Amazing, just amazing. Such a powerful engine, such a powerful bike. 1,800 cubic centimeters. Yeah, you definitely have the feeling that it can fly. So as soon as you twist it, you can actually fly. This is what this is the impression what it gives you. And this profound exhaust sound is just unbelievable. I'm afraid to lean it too much due to the low position of the engine. Can actually scratch it. I don't want to test it, to be honest. 30,000 euros for this bike, for this monster. So after one lap, I have the feeling that I've stayed very comfortable on my seat. Oh. The way it accelerates. But now when I overpassed 140 kilometers, I can compare the wind protection with the wind protection from the NT 1100, and the NT has a better wind protection. I think you have also the possibility to raise a little bit the windscreen. There are basically no vibrations, nothing. You don't feel any vibration, nothing. But you feel a lot of power. You feel like you are on a torpedo. You're over a torpedo, and as soon as you launch it, it goes straight with a lot of power. Amazing visibility over here on the mirrors. You can feel the downshifting. Oh. It just blows you away, this acceleration. Absolutely blows you away. The feeling is that you can go limitless. You feel that there are no limits with this bike. Wow, what a sound, what a sound. More like a racing sound. Something funny is that this seat seems to act like a gimbal. It keeps you straight. Now riding this bike feels like you're on a simulator, and everything goes very smooth. Looks like you're on the sofa or on a special leather chair from the living room, and you play a game, a simulator, PlayStation simulator. That's how comfortable and nicely it feels riding this bike. This is not a bike, this is an airplane, a monster. You can call it as you like it, but this is not a bike, this is not a motorcycle. How fast it goes, man, how fast it switches. Don't forget we are on the sport mode. I see myself riding this bike after 50, 60 years old, when you feel the pain on the back and you need more comfort, but I don't know what to say. Now it could be also a nice moment to ride it and enjoy it. Why not? Why wait? Why to wait until 60 to get this bike? And imagine riding thousands of kilometers with this one. It gets not so fast at 180 kilometers, for example. The faster was the NT actually. Think about its weight, hundreds of kilos. But man, it's a fast bike. Don't forget its weight, don't forget it. As soon as you get used with it, it feels like a race bike. You don't know what kind of bike you're riding actually. You have the feeling that you're riding a cruiser, a sport bike. But this bike can put a smile on your face, that's for sure. A big one. I'm so sorry that everything ended so fast, because wow, it was an experience, man. It was really an experience. I highly recommend it. Take it for a drive test. Take it, just take it, and you will have an amazing experience. An amazing experience. Oh. Yeah, there are no words to describe it. Forget about specs, forget about everything. Just ride this bike and you will understand what I mean. Just ride it. What an experience, man, what an experience. I suggest just take this bike for a test ride. Forget about the specs, forget about how this bike looks, just ride it and you will understand what I'm talking about.